Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to calculate age using a date of birth in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select your this date of birth cells. Now right click on it and format cells, and here select date, then click on OK. Now select here these cells, right click on it, format cells, and here select number, click on OK. Now type this formula equal sign. Now here type date if now opening bracket. Now select this one, that diff, and select this D9. Now comma, today, select it. Now opening and closing bracket. Now comma, quotation mark, and Y, quotation mark, bracket. Now press enter. So you have the this edge. Select it and drag and drop. Now we want to remove this decimal. So select it, right click on it, and format cells, and in decimal make 0. Then click on OK. That's it. So this is the way, guys, you can calculate age using a date of birth in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.